Hi everyone, it's Tal from Ingenie. I'm excited to show you in this video how two critical processes seamlessly connect behind the scenes with Ingenie. By connecting Salesforce and Mailchimp to Ingenie, we streamline and automate our operation within the Ingenie environment. So let's start with the first process from Mailchimp to Salesforce. We've created a straightforward registration form with essential fields like email address, I put mine, first name, and last name. Great. Obviously, you can customize this form as you need. Okay, great. So let's switch to Salesforce, contact, and as you can see within Genie, when a user subscribes in Mailchimp, a new contact is automatically created in Salesforce. No manual data entry, no delays, just seamless integration. Okay, so now let's continue to the second process from Salesforce to Mailchimp. Let's see how we can create a new contact in Salesforce and have it seamlessly reflected in Mailchimp. Okay, so I'm here in Salesforce. I'll click the new button and fill in the required fields. Okay, and email address. Press save. Great. Now let's switch over to Mailchimp by clicking on the audio and then all contacts. We can see that a new context appear in Mailchimp relevant audience with all the required details. You can see the new contact person right here complete with all the required details. And there you have it, a seamless integration from Salesforce to Mailchimp powered by Ingenie. Your data stays in sync across platform without any extra effort on your part. If you have any questions or want to learn more about how Ingenie can streamline your business processes, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to helping your business with Ingenie system. Thank you. Bye bye.